Hi, so I'm going to be taking you through this ICMP direct attack. So before we start, it's actually cognizant for us to understand how this ICMP direct work, whereby in this attack the hacker will pose as a router and sends an ICMP message protocol redirect message to a host, which indicates that all future traffic must be directed to a specific system as a more optimal route for the destination. So in this case, I'm going to be using VMware, whereby we have the Kali Linux 2018 version, which is we assume it's the hacker or the attacker. Then you have the observer and you have the victim. So here we have the observer. We're going to open a tool called Wireshark so that we can be able to monitor now our ICMP packets. So we are going to filter it in terms of now ICMP packets. And now we can go to the victim. And then from here, we are going to type a ping 192.168.0.250. So this is the server IP address. So we are going to send now this ping request to the server. Then now from there, you're going to see it from the observer side, whereby you can see 192.168.250 will be sent. So it's a request, as you can see there. And here we have the source, which is 192.168.0.157. So that one is now the victim IP. Then you have the destination. Destination is now the server itself, which is now 192.168.0.250. So we are going to send this request to the server. And then thereafter, from this other side of the Kali Linux, the attacker machine, we are going to use a special tool called Icmp. So first of all, Icmp is basically it's a powerful Python library that allows you to craft and manipulate network packets. So in the context of an ICMP direct attack, Icmp can be used to generate ICMP direct packets and send them to target hosts. So the attack involves sending a malicious ICMP packet to a victim computer, tricking it into updating its routing table and redirect its traffic through an attacker control gateway. So in this case, we are going to paste our Python code. Then you can see the original router IP 192.168.0.250. Attacker IP is now this one, the Kali Linux, which is 192.168.0.192. Victim IP, as you can see, and also the server IP. So we are going to run this. So once we run this, you're going to notice that it's now going to redirect. Now, instead of now the packets coming from now the server, which is 192.168.0.250, is going to redirect that now to 192.168.0.192, which is now the attackers. So it means it's going to be like in a man-in-the-middle attack, whereby you're going to filter the packets are going to be redirected first of all to the hacker. So let me just continue. So as you can see here in ICMP, you can actually start again. And as you can see there, we have ICMP redirect, which is actually redirecting through the gateway. Is that the gateway address here, 192.168.0.192. So it means that this packet are actually going to be redirected. So from when the victim sends now the ping request to the broadcast address or the server IP is going to. So when the server replies, it's going to be redirected first through this IP address, which is 192.168. So we're going to exit first, and then we're going to use ifconfig to check the IP address of this. So you can see 192.168.0 is going to be redirected through that here. And then now from there is going to be redirected to the victim. So basically that's how ICMP redirect attack works. Yes, so I hope you've gotten the point of this. Yes, thank you.